So it's quite simple. You lift this thing up, insert those bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, and then you insert a screw from there. It goes in right there, and then you screw it up, screw it up, screw it up, screw it up. And the channel is both legs. You go on the back, and then you lift this heavy thing up and put it on your rack right there, and then you can secure these with these. I'll show you one by one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the rest of the stuff. It must be going somewhere, hopefully. Let me fix this, then I'll show you. Easier part, you put your hand from here and then screw it up properly. That's done. That's the tip. You can go in from here. You don't have to go from there all the way. Let's do the other part. Do not screw your screws too tight, then you will struggle to move them. Now I have done that. That's why I'm saying don't do it. So you have to unscrew this a little bit, and then you can see there's a bit of space. I'll move this to this side, and then I'll be able to fix this problem. Now you guys can see it's aligned right there. Before you do that, make sure you put a bloody washer. There you go. Right there. Now that's the painful part. You gotta put this screw in from here, and then this. What you do is grab one of these braking tools and keep it right there, and then you have to screw it from downward there. Hopefully this bloody thing stay there when I lift this thing up, otherwise it's a bloody torture. Done. All of them done. They're giving you all kind of tools, so you won't struggle. You have all kind of tools to do all this. Now I'll screw them up properly and see what the next step is. The ladder will go on this side. You can see the holder right there, and on the ladder there, and we got some brackets. The ladder looks alright. The quality is not the best, but what you expect in this much money, I think they have done a great job. Let's see how it goes. Alright, next step is to flip it over, and then we're gonna install the ladder. So that's pretty much done. Now let's flip this bloody thing and then install the ladder. Next step is to install these. Goes there, and from the back, you can install these pretty easy. All right, I have installed these hooks. Make sure these pointy things are coming outwards, not inwards. And then I have put the ladder on top. You can see. Make sure you're putting the ladder on top, not on this side, on that side. Otherwise, it won't align properly. You can see. So one washer on that side, one washer on inside, and there you go. And now I'm gonna tighten these up, and then I think this is pretty much done. Then we will put this rooftop tent on the top of the car. Just a tip, might use 10mm socket to do this, otherwise it can be quite annoying. That's a perfect and nice quick way to go. All right, it's done. Let's throw this up completely. So let's see, it's moving. I have tightened it up quite nicely so that it won't bang. It will loosen up once you keep on using it. But it looks good to me at the moment. All right, it's gone on the roof. I have checked exactly. It's coming up very nicely. As for me, it is looking perfect. It's not too much out. Got enough space. Once I put all this tent inside, it will look nice. Stay the top, and the black top will go on the top. So it looks all right to me. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install all these channels in here, one on this side, one on that side, and then we're gonna screw it up. Once I've done it, I'll show you guys. Next step. So you need this bracket, put the screws in, and this will be sliding here. Can you see that? Go in there. Now you have to lift the rooftop tent, and then that screw will go on the other side, and then we'll clamp it from the bottom, screw it up, and that's it. Pretty much very simple. I'll show you how I do it with the other camera view. That's what I mean. Say it needs to be like that. The reason why I put that in is rubbish, so I can have some gap to work with, but it's okay. We need same 4 of them going here, 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 and then we will see. It is bloody 2% job. I'm doing it all by myself. Not sure why it's not going smoothly inside the channel. They're a little thick. I don't have tools to make them thinner, a little thinner. They're too thick. So get some WD-40. Maybe spray this on the channel. It's a spray on this as well. Hopefully it will. Was not that one, it was this one. Hopefully it will slip easy. Because it's brand new. Seriously, mate, seriously. Alright, going in. Alright, a bit of a good news. Finally, I have done an arrangement where I've done things differently. So I have put one bolt in. I don't want to do any extra holes in my roof rack, so rather than putting, you can see on the other side, I still have to get rid of the other one somehow. So this is what I did. It's strong. It's holding its place. It's not going out of my roof rack. Then after that, I have put these plastic covers because it's quite sharp. It can really cut you off. And then I'm gonna put some extensions here, up till here. And then I'm gonna put some awning all around, 271. Let's see. But it's looking promising. I'm just gonna set it up and see if it works as per my liking. I intentionally put this opening side on the passenger side rather than the driver side. You can put it on whatever side you want, but I think the passenger side is safe. Driver side can be dangerous because on that side the traffic is flying. Right. I might change the staircase later on, put a solid one on. You can see how it turns up. It's quite good. No complaints. But still, it needs to be on 70 degrees always. Always. You can't just put at 90 degrees. And make sure you lock it. That's how it's looking. Very windy at the moment. The cover is right there. I have pretty much shut the whole tent from outside. It's very windy. Wind is coming from that way. It's not that noisy, But if you put all those strings to the ground, I can't because I have concrete in the hair. It will be very nice. So I stayed there inside for half an hour. Um, can hear a bit of wind, but when I close this, it becomes perfect. Massive room, perfect. There's a protection layer on top as well. Um, you can stretch this. There are more attachments to this tent. You can attach those attachments with this zipper all around, and then this becomes a house. It will cover your stair. It comes up pretty much up till here, so you can cover the whole damn thing. You can sleep in the shade. You can change your clothes. You can do whatever you want. So quite happy. No dramas at all. All right, so I have done that. You can see I have installed this. It came up all the way. This lot. I couldn't push this forward. So it's hanging like that. You can cover it up, tie it up nicely. So this, now we're gonna install this zipper. Remember that this, I've done it the wrong way. This needs to go all the way to the other side. So I am taking this off. There's a railing here. It will go in here. So I'm taking it off. Very easy to take it off. There you go. It came all the way. And then you do this nicely. A final look. Finally, I have put the cover on. Took me a bloody while to understand all these zippers and all that. But it looks quite secured. Not sure how much noise I'm gonna get while I'll drive. Three people can sleep with it. It's very roomy. It's exactly on the top of my roof. It's not hanging outside. I still have a bit of room in there. Not touching anything. Not coming outwards from the sides. You can see that's what I wanted. Not from this side and not from the back. So I'm super happy. At least the money spent on the rack, seriously, $2,800. But it's a very solid rack, so I didn't want to do any modifications on the rack. I don't want to do any super holes and all that. So what I did one screws at the bottoms. I'm gonna chop these up a little bit, too long. Yeah, so I'm happy with it. Okay, so that was the end of the video. If you have any questions, please do ask. That was the best of my ability. I've never done this before. This is the first time I'm doing this. So if you like the video, please do let me know. And there are a lot of upcoming videos. I'm going to be installing a bit of more stuff on it. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. Any questions, do ask. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.